set operations so here set operations are of two kinds. One is of union of sets, the other is of intersection of sets. So here we are going to discuss about the set operations in an advanced level. So here, while discussing the set operations that is under advanced level, there are of two kinds of operations. Those where one is of union of sets, the other is of intersection of sets. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the set operation 1. So here, or operation on sets that is of kind 1. So under this first kind, that is the first category, this is about the union of sets. So in this regard, let us assume two sets, say A and as well as B. So then union of these two sets is given by means of, so union of two sets that is A and B will give us another new set which consists of the elements which are either present in set A or in set B or present in both A and as well as B. So here union of sets, in case of union of sets of two sets that are assumed as one as A and other as B, will give rise to another new set which consists of elements either of set B or of set A or of both A and as well as B. So here let A and as well as B be any two sets. Then union of these sets, of these two sets, that is A and as well as B, is denoted, first of all, is denoted by A union B. So this is the symbolic notation, U is the symbolic notation of union, and read as A union B or A union B, or in other words it is represented by means of A, that is cup B. So here this indicates cup or the union symbol. So here A union B is the set of all the elements that are present, that are either present in set A or in set B or present in both that is A or B. So, in this manner we will get a union B set, that is the newly formed set, which consists of all the elements, either the elements of set A or the elements of set B, or present in both the elements, that is both the sets, that is A or B. So, here this A union B can be given by means of, when we assume X is an element such that X belongs to either A or X belongs to either B. So, this is the property by which we can write the A union B. So, A union B is nothing but the X such that, the slash indicates such that X belongs to either A or X belongs to B. So, in this regard, let us perform one example, that is example number 1 under the union of sets. So, here if A equals to 1, 3, 7, 5, 0 and 9, and set B is consisting 5, 9, 11, 16 and 18. So, here we have to find out the first one as A union B and the second as B union A, and the latter I say finding these two sets, that is A union B and as well as B union A as the third case. So, here observe these two, then what do you conclude then? So, here the last one is of what do you infer or what do you notice by observing the A union B and as well as B union A sets. Solution starts now. So, in this solution, as per problem or according to problem, the two sets which are given for us in the if condition are of, one is set A consisting the elements 1, 3, 7, 5 and 0 and 9. So, 1, 3, 7, 5, 0, 9 are the elements of the set A, and set B elements are of 5, 9, 11, 16 and 18. These are the elements of set B. So, here in the first case we have to find out A union B. In order to find out A union B, so here that implies, so here set A. So, here set A elements are of 1, 3, 7, 5, 0, 9. Then union of set B. Here the set B elements are of, one is of 5, the 9, 11, 16 and 18. In order to find out the union of these two sets, that is A and as well as B sets, so as per the definition we have to, the elements of the new set that is A union B so formed consists of the elements of either set A or set B or both. So, here in order to write the union of these two sets, first of all let us write all the elements of the first set, that is A. So, here 1, 3, 7, 5, 0, 9. Then now here we have to include these elements of the set B. So, here 5 is already repeated, no need to what I say include in this elements of the set of A union B. 9 is also occurring here, no need to include. So, here 11 is not present in this set of the elements of A. So, we can include. Similarly, 16 and 18 are also not occurring. So, we can include both 16 and as well as 18. So, in this manner, so these are the elements of the set A union B, which are nothing but the set elements of set A or set B or both. So, in this manner we got, so here hence therefore A union B is equals to set consisting 1, 3, 7, 5, 0, 9, 11, 16 and 18. So, 11, 16 and 18. So, these are the elements of set A union B. So in the similar manner, we are going to find out B union A. That is case number 2. B union A equals to B. Set B elements are of set B elements are of 5, 9, 11, 16, 18. So set B elements are of 5, 9, 11, 16 and 18. Bracket close. Then now union of A. So here union of set A. Set A elements are of 137, 509. So here 1, 3, 7, 5, 0, 9 are the elements of set A. Then now here, in order to find out the union of B, set B elements and as well as set A elements, so here we have to write in such a manner that B union A set consists of the elements in such a manner that they are the elements of either set A or set B or both. So in order to write the union, so let us write all the elements of set B, that is the first set 5, 9, 11, 16, 18. Then now in order to include these, I say here, so without repeating these elements, we have to include in the set of B union A. So here 1 is not present in this, we can include. So similarly 3 and 7 are also not occurring, we can include even 3 and 7 elements in the set of elements of B union A. So 5 is already occurring, so here no need to write this 5 again, so we can neglect it. So 0 is not occurring in this set, so we can include it, whereas 9 is an element which is occurring here, no need to repeat it in the set of the elements of B union A. So in this manner, these are the elements of set that is newly formed B union A. So in this manner, so therefore, so here B union A is equals to set consisting the elements 5, 9, 11, 16, 18, 1, 3, 7 and 0. So let us write the second one as the second equation, and whereas the first one as the first equation. So let us observe these two, that is first one and as well as the second one from 1 and 2.